Hey, I just wanted to show you one of our suites here so you see what you're coming into. Check it out. Got a nice big sun deck here. We have another suite over there, our house, but I'm going to show you this one right now. Cabernet suite. And welcome. Just have a natural light going on here. So we got a little kitchenette. Yes. A little restroom. Micro. And then we have bedroom here. Got the AC and heat, fans, lights, little reading area, and yeah, nice. This is also a pull-out, so you can relax there. And we have our access to the patio here, the deck. We have a sun bed right here. Nice view of the ranch. Got eucalyptus trees outside, and yeah, very nice, very relaxing. And we have Starlink internet, so no problems with connectivity. So here we are, another beautiful day on the ranch. Can't wait to see you. And Shakti too. Good girl.